today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Nadula Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. Y'all, it's springtime, which means what? It's bob time. I mean, it's always bob time, but it's starting to get warmer. Okay, so we're gonna make sure to give you plenty of bob options. Now, of course, in the box, you do get your satin bag, HD wig cap, and then your unit does come in this bag, and then they included their company edge band. The unit that I'm showcasing today is their layered Yaki bob in the length 10 inches. Now, I recently reviewed this one 2 months ago in 12 inches, and we are going to try this one in a shorter length. It does have a 7x5 lace area, and this is what it looks like straight out of the box. Is the parting space area. As you can see, they did go ahead and pre-cut the lace. They also pre-bleached the knots and pre-plucked out the hairline. No comb on each side. However, you do get a comb in the nape area. You do get your no slip band, and you also get, if I can get it, your drawstring. What the lace looks like against my hand, I'm probably just gonna go in with a very small coat in the very front of the hairline. And then of course you get your parting space. You probably can't really see it. You're gonna see it better when I put it on. But it looks like they did a good job with bleaching out those knots. But let's go ahead and add just a very small amount of tint spray to that very front edge, and then I'll come back and try this unit. Do y'all see how this is just blended to my skin? And this is before I add any type of adhesive spray, mousse, anything. This, look at it. I'm telling you, like, that looks good. Let me straighten it up a little bit, but that looks good. This is what the front of the hairline is looking like. I think they did a really good job with plucking out the hairline. Of course, it does come already as a middle part. The knots are very, very small. Even the lace looks good. Like, I don't even have to go in and really trim off anything. I could probably trim off just a little bit right here, but I feel like once I add whatever product I'm going to use, is going to melt into my skin fine. Now, if you want to, you can always move this around. You don't have to keep it as a middle part. And I believe you can probably go over it just a little bit more. So if you want to go over that far, you can. And then of course you can do the same thing on the other side. Now, as far as the length on this hair, this is 10 inches. It looks to be just a little bit long, but I'm gonna see once I add, you know, my heat and everything. But y'all, I'm really impressed with how the front of this looks. Like, it looks really, really good. Y'all see me add my tint spray, and it looks really good. I'm really loving the way that this is looking already. Look how natural that looks. Wow. As far as the fit goes, it's laying down pretty flat and it's fitted up in this area, but I will say the cap is a little bit big on me. Nadula, can we get some cap size options? Because one size does not fit all. I did end up pulling my drawstring just a little bit because I did feel like it was just feeling a little bit too loose. And then I used some bobby pins in the nape area to keep it pinned down. But like up in this area, good. It's just right back here where I'm feeling the extra cap at. But okay, I'm not mad at this straight out the box. I don't have much to say right now. Let's go ahead and get to installing this unit, and then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final looks, and also so you can hear my final thoughts when it comes to this bob wig. half up, half down look with this unit, and as you can see, it came out really cute. I did have to curl the ends just a little bit more to make it a little bit more fluffy. I didn't grab too much hair, so I do feel like you can grab more hair if you want a more fuller look. You can also wrap a piece of hair around the ponytail holder so that it doesn't show, but it doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me at all. Now, to install this unit today, I did go in with my lace melt spray. This is the Supreme Hold, and I just worked it in sections. I sprayed the end of the comb and I just pressed it all in. It melted down perfectly. Like I told y'all, you don't have to go in and pluck out the lace or anything. I didn't have to put any powder around the hairline because I used my tint spray, but I did put powder into the middle part to help open it up and just make it look more scalp-like, and I feel like it looks really good. I used my flat iron to straighten out this hair a little bit. It did come like a little bit of a tighter curl. You could leave it like that if you want to, but I wanted it to be more straight, and I'm happy I did because I love the density on this unit, especially the ends. The ends on this look really nice and full, and you can really see it more when I turn around. But yeah, I love the ends of this unit. Now, it does come with a little bit of layers in the front. I did cut some down just a little bit shorter, but it's up to you if you want to adjust it. If you want to leave it alone, you can, and wear it straight how it is out of the pack. But I do think if you want to cut it down some more, you can. I like that they didn't cut it down too short because some people may not like too many layers in the front, so I think they did it perfectly. I didn't notice a lot of frizziness or flyaways. I didn't even go in with any Sleek and Shine serum, but it pressed it down really well. And then I went around the front of the hairline. I put some mousse, and y'all look at that. That looks so good. Like, that looks really good style. And then I did the half up, half down. Not much was needed to do that. I just gathered up some hair and then put it into a ponytail. It's probably a little bit messy because I didn't make sure that this was perfect at all. Like, at all. I like when it doesn't look super perfect. That's what makes it look a little bit more realistic to me. And then I just added a little bit more heat to these front pieces, and it still looks good. Like, look at that. And you can't even really see the tracks too much because of the way I have the hair. But if you wanted to, like I said, gather up more hair to make it look fuller, you could. Not a lot of shedding with this unit. Not really receiving any tangles at the moment. This hair is very soft and very easy for me to run my fingers through. This is a really soft Yaki texture. Could you add a little bit of curls? I think you can. I think you can. But you want to add some holding spray because it is a Yaki texture. It is going to fall a little bit. But I definitely give this one 2 thumbs up. Check out the 12 inches that I did or the 10 inch. I think the 10 inch does look a little bit longer on me. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But I still love this unit. I loved it when I first tried it. I love it more now. Like, it looks good. And of course, if you want to move this unit to a side part, you can. I just decided to keep it as a middle part. And let's be very easy with it and just give a simple style and still make it look super natural. So I would definitely add this one to cart. I really don't have any complaints about it, except for I wish it just fit my head a little bit better, especially in the nape area. But this is still a super natural look, easy, affordable. You can't go wrong. What you guys think about this bob wig? If you are feeling this, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area again. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.